This is a 3-lever lock that was sent to me a while back by Peter Lewis. And look at the keyhole, you can see the wards on the sides of the keyhole. Here's the key itself. Look at it head on, and you can see the squiggliness of the key. And it looks smooth. And this lock, the levers in here are separated by, I believe there's some spaces in here. I'm not quite sure. We'll have to look when I open it up, hopefully. But the pivot point is way over here. So I get the pick wire in there. It doesn't work by picking up toward the left. You have to turn the pick wire to the right here to be able to lift the levers up. But I'm not going to use a regular pick wire with this. I'm going to use a overlifter here that I made. So let's put it in the vise. Get it tight. See if we can get some, a little bit lighten up there. There we go. See the keyhole there? And use my homemade tension tool. Get that in there. And so normally when you overlift, you'll be sticking this inside the body and turning it in this direction to lift the levers. But like I said, the pivot point is close to over here, so all the levers are on that side. So I'm gonna have to stick this in this way and lift the levers. Let's see if I can get this in. I'll have to do it the hard way. There we go. And we tension it the same way you would do a normal lock. And then we just lift up on the levers, and there we go. Just as simple as that. That quick. Let's take a look inside and you'll see what I mean about the levers. There we go. You can see how far the levers are over on this direction. Usually this part of the levers are almost directly over the keyhole. And it's usually mounted the other way, so this post is over here. So it took me a while picking with a regular wire, and I couldn't go anywhere with it. Till I finally opened up and saw the inside and saw one of Brumy's videos showing this type of configuration of the levers there. And let's take them out. Okay. There's the first lever. And this is a spacer. Second lever. real thin, hard to get grip on. Another spacer. And the last lever. There we go. And the bolt. See if we can get that out there. Fuzz. Get it back together. Spacer, lever 2, spacer, and lever 1. And the spacer. Three screws holding it together. Make sure it works. And it does. And it just says on here, read that, 3 levers, but it doesn't have any other markings or identification. So thank you, Peter Lewis, and thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.